If your Tesla is showing the warning charge port door sensor fault, there are basically two possible culprits: the faulty charge port door assembly or the issue with the software. So before you buy any parts or get your car to the dealership, you may ask Tesla to check if there are any software updates over the air that they can provide you with. I don't mean regular updates, but exactly for the charge port door sensor sensitivity. Sometimes this helps and you can keep using the original door for many more years. But if you see this message after the door was frozen with some ice over it, or after any mechanical damage to the charge port door, the problem is very likely with the integrated sensor in this door, and it means that the door assembly will need to be replaced. Now, the procedure is quite straightforward, but it will be different from one model to another. I have seen it done to the Model S, where you need to disassemble some trim in the trunk, unscrew the rear light assembly, take it out along with the charge door, and then replace the charger door with the new one. In this case, with the Model S, the problem appeared after the owner tried to scrape the ice off the charge port door and pressed it several times quite hard. This sensor failed this and tried to open the door repeatedly and eventually decided to die. So if you have ice over the charge port door, it makes sense to use a hairdryer or take the car inside the garage for some time, but not physically scrape the ice in the area. Also, there was another case when the door started opening on its own every time the owner unlocked the car and closing after they started driving. In this case, the door replacement also fixed the issue. The charge port door is around $200 if bought from Tesla, but it can also be bought used for $80–100 from a wrecked car.